Hey guys, how's it going? How to check for site errors using Bluehost. So first of all, go ahead to the official website and make sure that you pick the best plan possible. If you want to get the best plan, please visit the link in the description box. So now what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead to the official website. Now what we're gonna do in the error logs overview, the cPanel error logs tool is useful when debugging scripts and finding missing files or broken links that you may not be aware of. Right, so you have right here the main error log. Right here your IP is right here, okay, and please note the main error is shared log, meaning that errors from all websites hosted on the server will be displayed, as well as those for your website. Okay, so scroll a little bit down. Right, you have the PHP error logs. The PHP error logs will show errors related to PHP scripts only for your account. And if you want to fix them, you can just go ahead and access the file manager, look for error log file, and then right click mouse and then click view, right? And basically you can log into your cPanel and click the error log icon, and this contains the last 300 Apache errors triggered by your website. And right here you're gonna see the VPS in dedicated server. On a dedicated server or VPS without a cPanel installation, must log files would be located in the var slash log slash logs and directory. The Apache log would be in the var log and then httpd directory. However, for their server with the servers with the cPanel installs, the Apache error logs actual location is user local Apache logs, and their error logs, where error logs is simply plain text files. Okay, so let's read in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.